Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Bad at Life. I'm Butch. These clips I'm going to be showing you is flying over, under, and around bridges. I just want to let you know that any of these stunts that you see are done by a professional under the supervision of professionals. So do not try this at home. Many of these crazy clips that you see were shot in Mexico due to the strict laws of USA. So just want to let you guys know that. That's it. Take it in, be careful. Don't fly like this. If you do, be careful. Have a professional or just be a professional yourself. Hope you check out all my other videos I have to offer here on YouTube. Go check out my Instagram, my Facebook, and see what all is coming up here in the near future. What other ideas we have and videos that we have to come. If you have any ideas, shoot us a message, drop us a comment, let us know what you think and what you want to see, because we want to give it to you. We want to give you what you want when you want it right now. I hope you enjoy this video. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And as always, stay bad.